Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Eureka E10s. If you're interested in this robot vacuum and mop, or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now we'll go ahead, we'll jump right in. Here's a look at the Eureka app, showing us our E10s in its current status. We have two different options. We can quickly enter in, that's the big blue button, or we can have it start cleaning. We want to hit the enter button. That's going to take us to an overview of our current map, so then we can find our map settings. So in the top right hand corner of the map, it's kind of hard to see, but up there you'll see we have that map edit option that gives us some quick map settings here. And then we have the more option that takes us to our map management settings. So we'll start with the map management option first, where we can toggle on or off multi-floor mapping, and we can view our current map and all of our other saved maps and choose to use or edit those maps. And we have our create a map down at the bottom, the big blue button. So that's map management for you. Then we'll go back to the map edit, where we can back up, restore, rename, or delete our map. In this case, this map is fine. It's exactly what we want. So we'll go further down where we can edit rooms. So we can merge, divide, and rename rooms right here. So if you wanted to divide a room, we'll select B and we'll divide it this way. And that's good enough. Hit the check mark. Now it's editing it, and it will divide the map for us. Well, it should. There it is. Yep, it populated right there for us. So A, B, and C now. Then we could merge rooms if we wanted. So we just have to select the two rooms we'd want to merge if we wanted to do that. And then we can also rename rooms too. So here's a list of names, or we can customize it right there. So that's how you're going to edit and configure your map if you're not happy for some reason with the results after it completes its mapping run. We'll go back here further down. Then we have our customized no-go zones. So we can add virtual walls and barriers. Everything's just drag and drop, and we can have multiple zones and multiple walls. And then we can also do multiple no mop zones too. So just make sure you don't put it over the charging station. It doesn't like that, as you see right here. But take a look at that. We can drag, drop, reconfigure as needed. Very helpful. And they're very accurate, knowing exactly where they can and can't go on your map. And next up on our main map right here from our overview, we have a couple more options down at the bottom. If you select full clean, that's going to clean everywhere on your map. But you can also do a room by room clean. So you can choose different rooms to clean. And if you don't want to do room clean, you can do zone cleaning. So you can add multiple zones right there on your map. And I believe it supports up to 5. So you can do 5 different zones at one time for cleaning. So the Eureka app is simple and straightforward. It's easy to configure and customize your map settings with your Eureka E10s.